Hello, we are in Photoshop for editing. So let's edit the image by using the features of Photoshop. Here it is. We'll go to the adjustment, use the curve option, get it, make it okay, add some filters from the filter gallery. It's a sketch here. I will take that one. Edge thickness and also add a paint on it. I will take that color. So there we have. Also I will use the different